Your garage is probably the biggest room in your house and the most underused. 400 to 600 square feet just sitting there. The only thing stopping you from turning it into a gym, an office, or the ultimate hangout space is what happens when you open that door. Bugs, heat, zero privacy. Apollo's motorized garage screen changes that with one button. The screen deploys, locks into zipper-sealed side tracks, and your garage becomes a ventilated, bug-free private room. Hit the button again and it disappears into a housing just 4.5 inches tall, the smallest in the industry. Choose bug mesh for airflow or solar fabric to cut up to 97% of heat. Every unit is custom built to your exact opening, made by hand in the United States, and backed by a 20-year warranty on both the motor and the fabric. Hit the Find a Dealer button on this page to connect with a factory-trained expert near you, or give us a call at 855-530-1246.